Hi everyone, I'm Tommy from Coquitlam College. Our college, like we built in Coquitlam City, but last year we moved to Vancouver City. We have programs in high school and university transfer program. We offer, like two main programs. The first one is university transfer program to help students to get into university of their choice at year 2 or year 3. It depends on how many credit they take. And the second program is our high school secondary, so to help the student to get the Canadian high school diploma. After a student, they take the university transfer program from our college. They can transfer directly to year 2 and year 3 at the university, so they can save a lot of cost. Tuition fee and also the living cost. Right now we have very attractive scholarship for international students, especially for Thai students. So we have 25% scholarship on the tuition fee on the first years. So it is very affordable. And also in our college we have a lot of club and activity actually to help students, like writing club, presentation club and public speaking, to help students to get into the environment where they have a very good performance when they study in the university. So if you're ready to start the journey to study abroad, you can come to Pacific Premier. They are one of our agents in Thailand, and you can apply to go to Coquitlam College to study.